Hi, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at the Sony Xperia Z5 and today we're going to have a look at sound and vision on this device. So what I'm going to do is jump into the Google Play Store, play you a movie trailer and also play some music tracks so we get to listen and see how it compares to other devices. So overall this phone is very good for music. I've really enjoyed this. This comes with their high audio and they use some of their TV technology in their speakers as well and in their display. So hopefully we'll be able to see that. So first of all, I've gone for pixels here, so let's hit play. Just going to lift it up. So we've got our volume rockers here.
Some alien life force has sent real-life video games to attack us. Pac-Man's a bad guy. Incoming! Donkey Kong. It's just a barrel. How bad can it hurt? The only way to take down Pac-Man is with ghosts.
You want ghosts? These are your ghosts.
Oh, yeah! We're the only ones who can do this! I'm kidding. We are all gonna die. I'm just sorry.
May I introduce to you Professor Iwatani, the creator of Pac-Man.
Pac-Man is not bad, you see. Professor Iwatani, what are you doing? I will talk to him. He's my son. Hello, my sweet little boy. Look how big you've grown. It's so sweet. He's so sweet. I know. You're a good boy. Somebody annihilate this stupid thing!
So that was Pixels there. A great film. Go and check that out. It's available on the Google Play Store or iTunes or DVD, Blu-ray as well. So moving on, I'm going to actually just jump into some music here now. So let's go down to the Workout Mix again. Been using this a little bit for my videos and also in the gym and that as well. So audio does sound really good on this flagship phone from Sony. This is the Sony Xperia Z5, and if you do have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Of course, there is a 3.5 jack on this phone, so you can plug in any headphones. There are headphones provided. Don't actually like them, the ones that are provided from Sony. Prefer to use my own. Please let me know what you think down below. Please leave a comment. Please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.